Yo, it's Mac Tattoo. I hope you're having an amazing day. I got a package here. Let's open it up, see what's inside, what brand it is, and yeah, let's find out if it's worth it. Let's go. And here's what's inside: inkless printer and other stuff. Let's open it. Another stencil paper for trial. The printer, USB charger cable. It has LED touchscreen. Good thing about this is you can see if it's need to be charged. Connection guide, Bluetooth connection or via USB. Scan the QR code. Download the Pomimo application. You will use this app to print the tattoo stencil. Also connect your Bluetooth device. Pair it. Yeah, let's try it now. Open the app. Select image cutting. Click customize, adjust the size, and prepare the stencil paper. Remove the yellow paper at the back. Fit it properly. I use the Spirit brand just to try. Let's print it. Here's where you adjust the density or thickness. As you can see, the thin line details is there. Now we use the Pomimo stencil paper. I choose these two panels, which is suitable for arms and legs. I adjust the size I need and print it. Page 1 of 2. As you can see, all the details are there. The tiny lines, tiny details. Reload the paper and print the second page. If you see the tiny lines on the stencil, let's see if it's gonna transfer on the skin. I use Proton for the stencil solution. And yeah, perfect. Nice and clear. All the details are there. And here's the outcome of the tattoo today. And I would say it's a must-have for every tattoo artist. Very convenient. You can bring it anywhere, especially on conventions.